Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzell speaking, and in this video today, we are going to examine file feature number 7, version history in the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. So to access version history within a Google Doc, I need to left-click on File and scroll down to Version History. Now there are two items that appear when I scroll over version history. The first one is Name Current Version. If I left click on Name Current Version, I can keep track of a version of a Google Doc within its history so I can easily find it. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to label it based on the date that I am currently editing the document. I then need to click on Save, and now there's a named version in the version history. So what does that mean? Well, if I go to File and go down to Version History, I can see version history by clicking here. Alternatively, I can see the version history by clicking on when the last edit was made. For this tutorial, let's click on See Version History. So, as we can see, I can click on the named versions of my Google Doc or the ones that are simply time-stamped. So the named version of this Google Doc appears right here under the date, but I can go back further to when I edited the document, and if I left click on it, I can see edits that I've made in the past. I also have the option to restore this version of the document in order to gain back some edits that were massive changes and that still need to be put back into the document. I can also, on this column over here, select only show named versions, in which case only the named version I created would be visible to me. However, by looking in version history for a single user, I can see all the edits that I have done. If a document is shared with multiple individuals, their names would appear here with different colors. And the version history can become very useful if one needs to check who has edited the document when. And so this is version history for the Google Docs series. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.